I'm not sleepy actually.
I know, actually.
Hey guys, remember the part where the house became a pool? We just recorded another one just now, and my dad is fixing it right now, and yeah, it's so crazy, right? Oh my god. And now, remember when I said we had a sleepover? Well, let's do this. Dance battle start at 3, 2. You know what guys, forget about the dance battle. Oh my god, we're so tired. We're not tired actually. Oh here, something to cheer you guys up.
1, 2, 3, not only you and me, and 180 degrees.
I don't think you guys can see it, it's too light, but let me see.